Yes, Kushi. Ready?
Hi, my name is Kushi. You want this? It is a fire snake with sugar and household items. The ingredients we needed is this funnel, um, sugar, a sanitizer, any sanitizers, this baking soda, and a fire box. Now you will just need to fill a bowl with sand. Then take 4 teaspoons of sugar and put it in a bowl. Take 1 teaspoon of baking soda and mix it. After mixing it, just pour some sanitizer on the sand. After that, you can put the mixture on it. It should be like a hill. After that, you can use home light fire, and you can just light it. After some time, it will be like this. It's a snake, fire snake.
Wow, Kushi, super. For safety reasons, what are you wearing?
I'm just wearing a transparent glass.
Specs. Very good. Very good. Okay.
I did it with my father.
Yeah. Very good. Okay, so ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಯಾನಿಟೈಸರ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಉರಿತಾ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ.
ಹೌದು.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಫನಲ್ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ? ಫನಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಗೋಪುರ ತರ ಆಗತ್ತಾ? ಹಿಲ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಗತ್ತಾ?
ಅದು ಹಿಲ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಗ ಬಿಡಿ. If you put some baking soda, it will be full now. That time you can do it from up till here. That time it will come like a mountain on.
Okay, good.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Bye. See you next Sunday.